Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics 10. So in this video, I'm going to tell you some of the frequently used shortcut keys in CorelDRAW. Now, just remember that these are not all the shortcut keys in CorelDRAW, but some of the shortcut keys that are frequently used. So let's get started. So first of all, why do we need shortcut keys? The answer is simple: to work faster. So if you use shortcut keys, we can work faster. So I have created a small list of shortcut keys. So these, if you look at here, these are the shortcut keys which are very easy to remember, because if you can see, the left align shortcut key is L, right align is R. So the first letter is the shortcut key, so it is easy to remember. Left, right, top, bottom and center, horizontal, center, these are very easy to remember. So I will show you with an example. So let's say if I select all these circles that I have created, so if I press R, so it will be aligned, all the objects will be aligned to right. If I press T, then top. If I press B, bottom. If I press L, left. And if I press C, so it will be horizontal, center, horizontal, center. And this is the key that you have to remember, because these are very easy to remember, all these previous shortcut keys. So E, vertical center, that you have to remember. So E is vertical center. I will show you one more time. So left, right, top, bottom. B is bottom. Then C, horizontal center, and E is vertical center. So these are the alignment keys, and it will make your work faster. So after that, if you see here, so if you want equal spacing between the objects, selected objects, then you can simply, I will move these objects. So you can simply press Shift plus P. So I will select these objects. So if I will align them first, it is not necessary to align them, but to make it simpler to understand, I will align them first, T. So as you can see, the spacing is not equal between these objects. So I will simply press Shift P. So as you can see, the spacing is equal now. So Shift P, so horizontal spacing, and if you want vertical spacing, equal spacing, that is, then you have to press Shift A. Again I will align it, so left, and as you can see, the spacing is not equal, so Shift A. So as you can see, the spacing is now equal between all the objects. So Shift A is vertical spacing. Now Shift plus F4 is fit to window. It is a zoom shortcut key. Shift F4. And if you want to fit to objects or fit to content, you can simply press F4, only F4. So F4 is fit to objects and Shift F4 is fit to window. Now if you want something at the center of the page, you can simply press, I will show you, simply press P, so it will be placed at the center of the page. But one thing you should remember: if you are trying to place multiple objects at the center of the page like this, these are multiple objects, and you want these objects as it is, the placement you want them as it is at the center of the page, but you haven't grouped them together, so the result won't be the same. So if I press P, it will be like that, because we haven't converted these objects into groups. So first convert them into objects, or group rather. So make a group, you can simply press Ctrl G, group, and then press P. So it will be placed at the center of the page as it is. So that is the important thing to remember. If you ungroup them and again press P, then it will be, the objects will be at the center individually, not as a group. So make sure that you group the objects first, then press P to place all the objects or in a group at the center of the page. So these are some of the shortcuts that can make you work faster, or which can help you to work faster in CorelDRAW. There are some other shortcuts, like if you want to import something, you can simply press Ctrl I. If you want to export something, then simply Ctrl E. And if you want text text panel or docker as they call it in CorelDRAW, then simply press Ctrl T. So you will get the text docker. And there are so many other shortcut keys that can be used in CorelDRAW, but for starters, just remember to use these shortcut keys and work faster in CorelDRAW. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.